Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another wig video. And this wig is from Amazon. It is from a company called Venus Hair. This is the Brazilian curly 14-inch 360 lace, and it is in a 250 density. So when you first get this wig out of the box, the curls look a little dry. It looks flat because it's been packed up in a box. But once you wash it, you apply some mousse to it, the curls are back and it's popping. So this wig does have two combs on the side, one in the back, and an adjustable strap. I believe this is a medium cap size, but it was too big for my head, so yeah. It already comes with baby hair, so you don't really have to do too much. So yeah, go ahead and keep on watching. And I also forgot to mention that the wig is about 14-inch and it is 250 density. To me, this wig doesn't look like a 200 density hair. It looks like more like 180 density. And it also says that the hair is pre-plucked. As you can see, you can pluck it a little bit more, but I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to show you guys how the wig looks fresh out of the box. So this is where I gave the hair a quick wash, and I'm just going to be working on the baby hair, which I struggled with a little bit. As you can see in the clips, I've struggled with the baby hair. The baby hair is a lot of work, you know. If the baby hair ain't right, the wig just ain't right. So yeah. Here I'm just adding my Lotta Body curling mousse. I love this mousse because it doesn't leave the hair all hard and dry. So it's very lightweight. And here I'm taking my contour palette and I'm just going to add some powder on the part so it could look a little bit more natural. I usually just put powder on my lace. I don't bleach the knots or anything. So that's what works for me. As you can see, that big old swoop in the front, like it was just too big. It was just too much hair. It was too thick. So I'm just going to be redoing that part again. Because sometimes when you do a baby hair the first time on a mannequin, it doesn't come out right. So I just wanted to show y'all that part. Sometimes you do the baby hair, it doesn't look right. You have to keep doing it and doing it until it looks natural. right about now, I was getting a little frustrated. It took a while. I just kept doing it. I think I did my baby hair at least 4 times. So I put the wig back on the mannequin and I just started over, and now that looks a lot better. See, practice makes perfect. And here I'm cutting the lace, and I'm going to be using the Got2b Freeze Spray to lay my wig down. And we're done. This wig is so pretty. It's so cute. The curls are pretty. The texture of the hair is very, very soft. When I washed it, I did notice a little bit of shedding, but that's to be expected because, you know, hair do shed, but as long as the shedding's not excessive, then it's fine. The curl was like very bouncy. All you need is water and some mousse, baby, and you're good to go. Alright, love, this is it. If you found this video helpful or you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, click on that subscribe button, post notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.